Good day, everyone. My name is Christian J. Simira, and I'm here today to present to you my PC build for Office. And I will briefly through the specs and its purposes why I choose these parts. Now, so first, we have our processor. I choose personally the AMD Ryzen 5 7600s with its spec of 7 core, 12 threads with pulse clock up to 5.5 gigahertz. Uh, and one of its purposes is to handle all processing tasks and ensuring smooth performance in both multitasking and gaming with a price of 13,050 pesos. And we have also our CPU cooler, which I choose is the Jungle Leopard TQ1 240p ARGB liquid cooler. Uh, I choose this personally because it is appealing, and also I prevent overheating from our CPU with a price tag of 1,785 pesos. Also, next we have our motherboard, which I personally choose the Gigabyte B650 Gaming X AX. With its purpose is to support fast memory and future upgrades uh, with a price tag of 11,250 pesos. In our memory, around, I choose also the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 16 gigabyte with its purpose of fast memory for smooth multitasking, optimizing for Ryzen 5 7600s with a price tag of 3,322 pesos. And our graphics card or GPU, I choose the MSI NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Gaming X 8 gigabytes. And with this specs, we have supporting ray tracing and DLSS 3. This great for rendering and content creation. So we can also live stream while we are at our office. So one of the purpose is to handle graphic rendering, gaming visuals, video editing, and 3D application with a price tag of 21,478 pesos. And for our storage, we have three on multi-drive setup. We have NVA SSD and SAT SSD HDD 1 terabyte. And their purposes is to give our PC good storage for our documents, videos, and other tasks that can handle our PC. And for our power supply, we have MSI MAG A750GL with 750 watts. It specifies 80 plus full modular power supply, which is purpose of providing stable power to all components of ensuring the system run reliable. So we have our price tag, which is 5,524 pesos. And also our case, it is I choose personally, which is the best and good looking, which is an in-play Win 05 and Win 01 acrylic side panel. The purpose is to protect house components and also the designer with a price tag of 500 pesos. In a total amount of 67,058 pesos of all parts of our PC. So in conclusion, uh, this PC builds is a powerful yet affordable setups that balance performance, reliability, and style. With the Ryzen 5 760 600 processor, DDR5 memory, and RTX 4060 graphics card, it is optimized not only for office productivity such as multitasking and professional workloads but also for gaming and entertainment. So that will be all, and so thank you.